Hi, this is Florence from Milele Motors. Today we are having a sports event. Let me show you inside. Please follow me. With the HR manager, I will ask him how he feels on this day. Sir, how you feel?
I really like this. Sports always plays a better role in everyone's life, and sport is equally important for alongside the work. So I'm happy we came outside to play, and people enjoy.
Very good, it's awesome. I am so happy
And excited.
A bit tired, playing after a long time.
Right now we are going to allow our CEO to say something.
Hello everyone, this is my first time participating in the event and I want to continue participating for all the future events.
I think this is important for team building and getting to know each other as human beings outside of the office. Thank you.
Everyone is fear.
Why?
Play with me.
Okay.
Yeah, no,
Just
no,
yalla
no,
start.
play with me.
Start. I will play with you. Yalla.
Okay.
This sporting event has actually created more unity among the workers. Most of our colleagues, we don't spend time together, but it has been good. We have been to cricket, we have been to badminton, we have had soccer, and we have discovered a lot of hidden talent amongst the staff. So I continue to say this must be a recurring event, very, very interesting and very, very refreshing. Thank you to Directorate at Milele Group.